Morning, boys. So in our hangout earlier, we had a question to do this graph here, okay? So we needed to do these graphs here. These graphs will show us rainfall in South Africa, basically looking at these five destinations: Bela Bela, Bloemfontein, Cape Town, Mosina, and Mthatha, okay? So I've drawn my Cartesian plane, if you like, here, and I've labeled it already. I've got January to December there, which is basically the months, so I can just say that. And then I've got the other variable there of rainfall figures on the y-axis, okay? So, I mean, it's not clear there, but I've chosen go 7, 14, 21, and so on over there on the vertical axis, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a look at Bela Bela. So the figure for Bela Bela for January is 120. 120 in January. So I'm going to go to my graph. There's January, okay? And then I'm going to look at the figures on the left. I'm going to go all the way up there as close as possible to 120. So that's 123. So around about that area, that's going to be equivalent to January, okay? That's where I'm going to have my first point. And then I'm going to go for Bela Bela again, 84 in Feb. I'm going to look for February. February for me is around here, okay? So I must go and look for 84. So 84 is round about there. It must be equivalent to February, and then I have a dot there, okay? And then I have 74 for March. So I'm going to go to March, equivalent to March. And then I'm going to try and find 74. So it's 74 is round about there for March, okay? And then I'm going to look for Bela Bela. I'm looking at April 37. So April is going to be 37. So 28 is there, 35 is there. So 37 is going to be somewhere there. Are we in April now? Yeah, we are in April. So somewhere there, equivalent to April, okay? And then I will go to, for May, it says it's 7, okay? There's 7 for May, for Bela Bela. So I'm going to go to May. I'm going to look at 7. 7 is really bottom in the place here. There is the point, equivalent to 7 in May, okay? For June, the number is 6. So for June, it's going to be slightly below that at 6. That's June. For July, we have 2. Even further down for July, almost close to the x-axis. 2 is somewhere around there. And then I am going to go to the next one is August. For August, we have a figure of 5, okay? So I'm going to, so it rises up slightly for August at 5. So just going to have August is equivalent there. That will be 5, okay? And then for September, it rises again to 16. So I'm going to go 14 is over there. So 16 might be slightly there. For October, we have 58. So it rises quite a bit again in October. I'm going to go 70. 56 is over there. So 58 would be slightly there, equivalent to October, okay? So you got two variables here. It's the number and it's the date, or it's the month that we're chatting to. So you just need to watch those coordinates. The point must speak to those two values, basically, the month and the number. Okay, November was 101. So I'm going to go to November. I'm going to go 101. I'm going to go, it's somewhere there for November. And then for December, okay, I think I've shifted a little bit. For December, it is 124. So it goes right up again for December to almost the top there, okay? So now I can kind of see a shape. The guys in core would probably call this shape roughly, what is it called? Like a parabola. It looks something like a parabola shaping up, okay, or smiling for those guys. So the next step is just really to join the dots. I'm going to use my pencil again. I'll draw the dots there. I'll draw the dots because it's not really requires a ruler because it's not really straight, okay? That will be my graph for Bella Bella. But very important now, I probably want to label my graph Bella Bella, okay? I mustn't forget my title here. I'll call it Rainfall in SA. So that's the first graph, and you basically do the same for the rest of them. Basically do the same thing.